Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Rama Agus Dipamungkas from Prodi Pendidikan Matematika semester 2. Here I am present about some, any, much, many, few, and little. Some, any, much, many, few, and little are all words that come before noun to help explain them. Some and any are both determinants. They tell us whether the noun phrase is general or specific. Some and any are both general determinants, which means they refer to an indefinite or unknown quantity of something. Much, many, few, and little are all quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to give information about quantity, the number of something. Both much and many suggest a large quantity of something, with little and few means not as much or not as many. However, if you ask a little or a few, this means a small amount. Some versus any. The word some and any are used when the exact number or amount of something is not known or when it's not important. Some and any are both used to refer to an indefinite quantity or number. For example, there are some birds in our garden. We don't know exactly how many birds are in the garden, or it does matter how many birds there are exactly. As opposed to, there are 3 birds in our garden. The number of birds is important and exact. Some and any are known as general determinants. They are used to modify nouns, specifically to tell us that the noun phrase in general rather than specific. They can be used with one countable or uncountable nouns. We don't have any time to get popcorn before the film starts. Time is countable. We still have some apples on the tree. Apples are countable. 2. Singular or plural nouns. We don't have any chicken left for dinner. Chicken is singular. It's such nice weather. Let's invite some friends around for a barbecue. Friend is plural. Next, much versus many. Much and many are known as quantifiers. They are used to talk about quantities, amount or degrees, along with a lot of and lots of, and suggest a large quantity of something. When do I use many and when do I use many? Many is used with plural, countable nouns. Dogs, dollar, tables, children. Much is used with singular, countable nouns. Egg, happiness, music, water, time. There are many doctors in the hospital today. Doctors are countable. Many Brits chose to retire in Spain. Brits or British people are countable. There is much light in this room, so let's open the curtains. Light is countable. Too much money was spent on the royal wedding. Money is countable. Next, few versus little. Little and few are quantifiers. When they are used on their own, they have a negative meaning to suggest not as much or not as many as might be expected. But be careful when little and few are used with an article. A little or a few. Both words mean some and have a positive meaning. When do I use few words? When do I use little? Little is used with singular countable nouns and few is used with plural countable nouns to mean not as much or not as many. For example, the play made little sense to me, but I am glad you enjoy it. Since it's accountable, the play did make much sense. She didn't want to go, but she had little choice. Choice is accountable. She didn't have much choice. There are few people that I think would be qualified for the job. People is accountable. There are many people qualified for the job. There are few tourism at this time of year, so the big beaches are nice and quiet. Tourist is countable. There are many tourists. A little is used with singular countable nouns and a few is used with plural countable nouns to mean some. We have a little time before the play starts, so why don't we get a drink? We have a little space in our car if you want a lift. There are a few good candidates that have applied, so I'm sure we'll find someone for the job. We stayed in Spain a few days before going on the France. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.